people kind of just growing, getting bigger, having more kids, and where they'd be explored synergies. Looking at the global scale, he was definitely one of the thought leaders in that product. We looked at the Earth as a single kind of city, one city for one Earth, mapping population together. We call this a kind of a biomap. This is actually a photo of the model. It's about 17 feet long and 10 feet high, and it's got two sides. Zooming into different sections of population intensity in India and China especially. Here's India. And then creating these parametric models just using hardcore technology, a dowel and a pegboard. That's definitely specially designed. But looking at the different colors for different numbers to produce different heights and showing population. And there are many regions where you're actually not getting any growth at all. It's the reverse. And that's mostly Northern Europe, parts of Russia, parts of the middle of the United States, etc. These are some of the growth regions. Those are kinds of close-ups showing the change in growth mapped directly to that particular map. There's an LED lighting system on one side so that you can highlight areas that are just where people are living in continents. The areas that are not lit are essentially oceans or no one occupies them. And then the back is where we focus in and to express bioluminescence that show color. Green is existing, red is expanding population. So this is Istanbul in one section of that particular map. We did 25 of the world's most intense and dense cities that are moving into population growth, showing how it bioluminesces under UV. These are different, we drew with toothpicks, we drew with syringes, something unique, something that we could find a new level of exploration and see the unseen. I think a lot of times if we're all using the same software, we're going to get to the same results. It's like playing with the deck chairs in the Titanic. Just move them around, but it's not going to solve the big problem. With it to kind of get to what we think about cities and how they're shown. So that is a really quick view of my work in a half hour, and
Pretty good.
And we're good.